What would you do with an extra $500 right now? Because that's what my newest freelancing client just agreed to pay me. I swear some of y'all are sleeping on freelancing. So please let me know in your comments, like, why? Because this is honestly such a lucrative side hustle career, depending what you want to make out of it. I started it with just like doing it on the side while I was working a full-time job, and now it's my full-time thing because it's allowed me to be wherever I want, do whatever I want. It's allowed me to do so many things, like live in Vietnam and get $1.50 boba. But not only has it allowed me to travel all around the world because I don't have a boss telling me where I need to be, you can also start it for free. So if this is something you really want to get into, because you can, anyone can do it, they can just learn the skills or whatever to do it, then message me, DM me help or your question, and let's get you started, okay?